授業を始めます。皆さん、こんにちは。In our previous lesson, we learned how to say the days of the months in Japanese. For this session, we have four objectives. First, to be able to count from 1 to 100. Second, to be able to say one's age in simple Japanese. Third, to develop effective communication skills by learning when to ask and answer questions about age. Fourth, to develop effective communication skills by talking about one's age and the age of one's family members. We already learned how to count from 1 to 30 in our previous lesson. So this time, we will be counting from 1 to 100. I want you to read aloud the text that will be flashed on the screen. Please take note on the readings for Yonju, Nanaju, Kyuju, and the term for 100. Go with the flow! I have here the picture of Yamashita Saki's family. What do you think this number means? Very good, it's their age. This time, we are going to learn how to say one's age in simple Japanese. Are you ready?
おじいちゃんは70歳。おばあちゃんは68歳。お父さんは43歳。お母さんは42歳。私は14歳。弟は11歳。弟は9歳。おじいちゃんは70歳。おばあちゃんは68歳。お父さんは43歳。お母さんは42歳。私は14歳。弟は11歳。弟は9歳。レッツプラクティス。1歳。2歳。3歳。4歳。5歳。6歳。7歳。8歳。9歳。10歳。4ナンバー20。20歳。おわ。20歳。
Numbers ending in chi are read differently when combined with sai. For number 4, it is yon. 7 is nana, and 9 is q. Do is also an exception.
お父さんは何歳 ?43 歳。何歳
Daddy さんは何歳
28歳。
そうなんだ。
私の家族です。お父さんは60歳です。お母さんは51歳です。兄は34歳です。兄は32歳です。姉は30歳です。妹は26歳です。弟は24歳です。弟は22歳です。妹は17歳です。妹は15歳です。CJ さんは何歳
Himitsu!
The word himitsu is used when one does not want others to know something or when one wants to keep something in secret. In addition, sometimes it is not polite to ask a woman's age if you don't know the person very well.
Minasan, reflection time. What did you learn today? What is your opinion when it comes to talking about one's age? Do you think everybody is open about talking about their age? Write it down in your Nihongo notes. For an announcement, I want you to bring your hiragana workbook on our next session. Jugyo uwarimasu! Sayonara!